This is not a film. This is my love story. My name is So Rwanda. It all started when I was born. After naming me Sine, telling me, "You look like this is Sine cow." My grandma taught me cows are our love. In that our culture in traditional dance is a cow, dutega amaboko. Milking cow is how we say I love you. It's an art for herdsmen the rest of us try. His name is Kaze. To him, a cow is a brother. They have grown up together, walked hills together, shared silence. If they say sweet potatoes, you hear milk. It's our universal love language. Back in the day, I could eat lots of them. Then go play my biji or jump rope in the evening. Cheers to the memories. And then you see the Inyambo, the royal cows that walk like they own the land. Their horns have more confidence than a whole CV. That's Rwanda for you. Even cows have swagger. My love story is a cow, not just because it's the dowry the man who loves me will give, but because I am a Rwanda myself.